Welcome to the Town of Coma's Digital Budget Series. My name is Pak Lin and I'm the Administrative Services Director for the Town of Coma. In this video, I'll be providing an overview of the town's fiscal year 22-23 budget. The fiscal year 22-23 townwide budget consists of $22.77 million in total revenues and $24.72 million in total expenditures. The table separates the town's activities into general, capital, and other activities, which include special revenues, debt, and business-like activities. The town tracks most of its daily operations in the general fund. The budget begins in February with a mid-year financial update, followed by the budget development process, where each department reviews and assesses its financial needs for the year. Historical trends, economic factors, and new department priorities are incorporated into the budget. The budget document is reviewed and discussed in 3 publicly held budget study sessions prior to the adoption on June 8, 2022. The budget is prepared in accordance with generally accepted accounting principles. The general fund revenues and expenditure budget for fiscal year 22-23 are $19.09 million and $18.48 million respectively. At $19.09 million, the fiscal year 22-23 general fund revenues is $700,000 or 3.9% more than the projected June 30, 2022 total general fund revenues. The increase is attributed to increase in sales tax revenues, which was due to inflation. Card room tax revenues have restored to pre-pandemic levels, and all other general fund revenues have flattened. The fiscal year 22-23 operating budget is $18.47 million and is $1.21 million or 7% more than the fiscal year 21-22 estimated actual. The increase in salaries, wages, and benefits is associated with the cost of filling a vacant position and the cost of living adjustment. The increase in supplies and services is related to restoring contingency budget, which was not used in fiscal year 21-22. The key economic factors for the town in the coming years include the impact of inflation and market uncertainty. Inflation has a positive impact on the town's sales tax as cost of non-perishable items increases. However, as consumer behavior changes and purchases shift to perishable goods, the town's sales tax revenues will begin to flatten. This flattening is anticipated to begin in 2023. The other side of inflation results in increases in operating and capital expenditures. As the prices of fuel and consumer goods rise, the town's expenditures will increase. Since the start of 2022, market uncertainty resulted in the fall of investment income. This market uncertainty and the rise in Federal Reserve are negatively impacting CalPERS investment returns. As a result, the town is anticipating our portion of pension liabilities to increase in fiscal year 23-24. As for fiscal year 22-23, under the direction of the City Council, staff will be researching on the benefit of making supplemental pension payments to flatten this dramatic increase. Based on the current budget plus known economic factors and capital needs, the town anticipates the general fund expenditure will exceed revenues in the coming years. Aside from the general fund, the town has 2 business-type funds, sewer and city properties. In fiscal year 21-22, the town completed the sewer fee study and the City Council approved a phased-in approach to make the sewer fund self-sustaining by fiscal year 25-26. This means that sewer fees collected will be sufficient to pay for sewer conveyance, treatments, and maintenance, including future major capital improvements. For fiscal year 22-23, the town budgeted $900,000 as sewer revenues, just over $1 million as sewer expenditures, and a general fund transfer of $260,000. Majority of the sewer fees collected are pass-through payments to North San Mateo County Sanitation District and the City of South San Francisco Sanitary Sewer Operation. The remaining $250,000 is the town's collection fee to maintain and expand the existing Coma sewer infrastructure. As for city properties, the town has 2 rental properties within Coma, Creekside Villa and a unit in Verano. Creekside Villa is dedicated to 62-plus Coma residents on a fixed income. Eligibility criteria is stated in the Coma Administrative Code, Section 2.02. As for the Verano unit, the town is in the middle of liquidating the unit. For fiscal year 22-23, the town budgeted $190,000 as revenues and $120,000 as expenditures. The town will be preparing the Verano unit for sale while complying with state surplus property disposal process. The town has a rolling 5-year capital program. This means each year, as part of the budget process, the department will assess and add a year to the capital program. Additionally, unspent budget in the current year is automatically rolled over to the budget year. The following is the 2022 to 2028 capital program. For more information, please go to the Capital Improvement Plan section of the budget. And that concludes my overview of the fiscal year 22-23 budget for the town of Coma. Thank you for visiting the town's digital budget. Please don't forget to check out the other videos on this channel.